Okay, now let us see what happens when you find a moving object and generate an MPC report for that particular image set. When you create or generate an MPC report for the image set where there was a new moving object, that particular image set is further researched by the MPC researchers. This takes about 1 week, and within 1 week the MPC researchers give you a report saying that yes, this particular moving object which you have detected in the image set assigned to you for this week, this moving object could be an asteroid. That means it is a potential asteroid. When you get this email from the MPC researchers, your MPC report that you had submitted gains the status of preliminary report. Okay, you can see it on the IASC website. What you have to do is go to Hall of Fames and click on faint detections. Once you're on the IASC faint detection page, scroll down, you will see under the preliminary report status, there are numbers mentioned over here. Now, these numbers are the numbers of MPC reports that have gained the status of preliminary report, which means that the moving object that they have detected could be potential asteroids. Once you get the preliminary report status, your image set or the patch of sky which the image sets were assigned to you will be surveyed further for 6 months to 1 year. After observing that particular patch of sky, if the uh, moving object further shows the potential or matches the criteria of being an asteroid, it receives the status of your MPC report that you had submitted, say, 6 months or 1 year ago, receives the status of provisional report. Okay, which means that there are high chances of that moving object being an asteroid. Now, again, you will observe that the number of moving objects that gain the preliminary report status is quite high than the number of reports, the preliminary reports that made it to the provisional report. Okay, so it takes time. It takes 6 to 1 year to get from preliminary report status to the provisional report status. So it is a wait. You have to have that kind of patience. Okay. Once you get the provisional report status, your moving object or that particular patch of sky will be observed for another 1 or 2 years by for like more refined uh, observations and surveys, and um, telescopes will be used for that particular patch of sky. Once you gain this, your MPC report gains the status of provisional report. After surveying for another 2 years rigorously, there could be a possibility or high chance of your detection being an actual asteroid. And when that happens, you and your team members get an opportunity to name that particular asteroid. How you can check that? Now, after obviously the MPC researchers and the coordinators will keep your team leaders updated about where the research stages, or where the research has gone for when the uh, preliminary report is uh, when it becomes a provisional report. Okay, but once it gains the provisional report status, your team leader will keep you updated. When that particular provisional report gets the certainty that okay, fine, it was an asteroid, you can go to Hall of Fame again and go to numbered discoveries. Okay, here when you scroll down, you will see that the asteroid is marked. Okay, these are the numbered discoveries which has happened since 2007, the last being in 2021, so it does take a lot of time. So this is where you can check the asteroid and the number of that particular asteroid and the name of you and your team members, along with your team name and your country. Once you get to the numbered discovery stage, you and your team, the reward is you and your team will get to name the asteroid. You can select the name and give it to it. And since you have, if it was your image set which had the moving object, then you will be the one who would be the decider of the name. So that's the reward that you will get for the 2 or 3 year patience that you have kept from like making the detection to like waiting till it is confirmed that it is an asteroid or it was an asteroid. So yeah, this is the journey of how your MPC report goes from just a plain MPC report with the moving object to the preliminary report, and from the preliminary report to the provisional report status, and from the provisional report status to it being a confirmed asteroid. So this is the journey of asteroid detection or asteroid hunt in the IASC asteroid hunt campaign.